Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Are you a competitive first-person shooter gamer looking for the best FPS gaming mouse of 2023? Look no further. In this video, we will be exploring the top FPS gaming mouses on the market right now. On number 1, we have Corsair Darkcore Pro SE mouse. When it comes to FPS gaming, the Corsair Darkcore Pro SE mouse is a veritable powerhouse. This mouse has a cutting-edge optical sensor that offers great precision and responsiveness. With a staggering 18,000 dpi resolution, you can perform the most accurate movements even when the action is tense. The Darkcore mouse also has wireless charging capabilities, which makes it much more practical to use. Having a battery life of up to 50 hours on a single charge, it is equally remarkable. Place it on the given charging dock when it needs to be charged, and you're prepared to go. Overall, for FPS players that expect the best, the Corsair Darkcore Pro SE mouse is a great option. It is a top choice for individuals seeking for a top-tier gaming mouse due to its cutting-edge features and outstanding performance. On number 2, we have Corsair M65 RGB Ultra mouse. Another popular choice for FPS gamers is the Corsair M65 RGB Ultra mouse. This mouse offers a solid and sturdy design with a lightweight aluminum frame. Its weight is adjustable with removable weights, allowing gamers to customize their experience. The M65 features an impressive 26,000 dpi sensor, which allows for precise tracking and accuracy during gameplay. Its 8 programmable buttons can be customized with Corsair's ICU software, allowing users to assign macros and shortcuts to improve their gameplay. Additionally, the M65 RGB Ultra has a dedicated sniper button, which can be used to slow down mouse movement for more precise aiming. This feature is especially useful for sniping in FPS games. Overall, the Corsair M65 RGB Ultra is a reliable and customizable option for gamers looking for a high-performing FPS mouse. Its durable build and precise sensor make it an excellent choice for both casual and competitive gamers alike. On number 3, we have Steelseries Esports mouse. Because it was designed with professional gamers in mind, the Steelseries Esports mouse is a fantastic choice for anyone hoping to improve their gaming abilities. This mouse has a robust build, extremely accurate tracking, and programmable RGB lights. This mouse's right-handed friendly ergonomic design provides comfort and lessens fatigue during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, the Steelseries Esports mouse has a top-notch sensor that enables precise tracking, making it ideal for action-packed first-person shooter games. The programmable RGB illumination is one of the Steelseries Esports mouse's most amazing features. With 8 zones of independently programmable RGB lights, this mouse enables you to stand out from the crowd and express your style. You can also modify DPI, acceleration, and polling rates via the Steelseries engine software to suit your gaming preferences. You can assign particular functions to each of the mouse's 6 programmable buttons, giving you total control over your gaming experience. On number 4, we have HyperX Pulsefire FPS Pro mouse. The HyperX Pulsefire FPS Pro mouse is a great option for gamers who need precision and speed. With a 16,000 dpi optical sensor, you can customize the mouse's sensitivity to fit your gaming needs. It also features 6 programmable buttons and a durable design that can withstand hours of gameplay. Additionally, the mouse's comfortable grip allows you to stay focused during those intense gaming sessions. The HyperX Pulsefire FPS Pro mouse is an excellent choice for FPS gaming enthusiasts who want a reliable and high-performing mouse. So these are some of the best FPS gaming mouses to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.